Hi guys, welcome to Passwan's blog. Now I am opening the door and I am to watch outside what is going on. You can see today's weather is not very good. The rain has come and it's little bit drizzling outside. You can see the clouds from here now. Rain has come. Rain has come. Now you can see one flag is hosting here. Pius has opened the door. You can see Pius is there. Pius is watching outside, standing on the door. Since the rain has come, so he is watching outside. Sia is also with him. They are talking with each other while watching the rain. You can see these are the raindrops. And you can see the neem tree whose twigs are waving. And you can see Agastya has also come. So it is looking wonderful. Now you can see Agastya has also come. He is also standing here. So both of three are standing and enjoying with the rain. You can see Pius is here. Pius is here. They are trying to capture the water on their hand. This is called the childhood. They are enjoying. You can see Sia is also here. Now you can see the water is pouring on the ground. It is a downpour. Pius is trying to go outside and play. And he is talking with Sia. They are playing in the rain. Hey, don't go outside, guys. They are making a vlog. Since morning, the weather was humid today. So whenever the weather is humid in the evening, in the afternoon, the rain comes. From here you can see there is a smoke coming. If you are capable to watch, there is smoke coming. Now rain has stopped. Now Pius has gone outside. Is drinking the water, taking. Now Agastya has also gone outside. You can see Agastya is also, they are enjoying in the rain. You can see Agastya is also enjoying whenever the water comes on her face. He is trying to drink that water. Now both of trio of them is talking with their mama. Now Pius is going there. So now Pius is talking with his mama. Sia is standing on the door. He is calling to Pius. Pius has gone there. Hey Pius, come here. And you can see there is water loss at the front of our home. You can see. So now Agastya, you can see Agastya is sleeping on the bed. Now he will come because I am making a vlog. Now he will come to me because whenever I make a vlog, he wants to watch the vlog, making me vlog. Now Agastya has come to me. situation now. Now Pius has also come here, and Sia is there. She is flying against the wall. Hey, you will fall down, Sia. Don't play like this. You will fall down. Agastya is with me. Agastya is with me. I am making a vlog. Now I am trying to see some situation where I can make a vlog. Nothing. I am not able to get anything. So I think this would be sufficient for today. So thank you guys for watching this vlog.